Hello, I'm Stephanie Chizik, Editor-in-Chief of CoatingsPro magazine. Today we're going to talk to an expert at LATICRETE on a new product for floors that will help simplify the installation process. I'm here with Ben Lampi, Product Manager of Resinous Coatings of the SpartaCoat line. Ben, thank you so much for joining us today.
Oh, you're welcome. Great to see you, Stephanie.
So today we're going to talk about a few products with the SpartaCoat line, but why don't you go ahead and start by giving us an overview of how that line relates within the overall LATICRETE business?
Sure. So for those of you who aren't familiar with LATICRETE, we're a third-generation family-owned manufacturer of building material products. We aim to provide construction solutions to the industry, and we're best known for our tile setting materials, but we also have many other lines within the company as well, including our concrete and surface prep, our masonry and veneer installation systems, which are MBIS, and the line we're going to talk about today, our resinous coatings called SpartaCoat.
Perfect. So let's kick it off by maybe discussing one of the first of the two products that we're going to be discussing today. So walk us through the benefits of the new Prime and Go primer.
Certainly. So when we developed the SpartaCoat Prime and Go primer, we were aiming to simplify the life of the installer. So we know one of the first things you do whenever you get to a job site is you need to prep the floor in order to receive the coating. With that comes a lot of challenges. I'm sure we've all shown up to a job site and the grinder's not working. Somebody forgot to wire up the electrical panel. There's no gas in the generator. You can't find the right equipment. The hoses keep disconnecting. The extension cord doesn't work. On and on and on. All these issues before you even get to the job itself. With that in mind, we aim to provide an alternative to that mechanical prep. So instead of grinding or shot blasting, we're able to use our new primer, SpartaCoat Prime and Go, and simply coat the floor rather than mechanically abrading it.
That sounds like a huge win for the contractor. And you've also got another one that's going to be a good win for them, the moisture vapor barrier called VaporBand ER. Why don't you kind of walk us through what that is? Yes.
So earlier this year, we consolidated our vapor barrier line into the VaporBand line. That family of products protects the floor from moisture vapor emissions. As you're probably aware, one of the main causes of flooring failures is that moisture coming up through the concrete. And what this is able to do is a two-part epoxy, and when applied, it protects the floor for moisture up to 25 pounds, bringing it down below 3 pounds so you can safely coat over it.
Are there other benefits of the vapor barrier products that will help contractors in the field?
Yeah, so one of the unique things about the VaporBand ER is it's able to be both tinted and accept decorative media. So for many other competitive products, that's a second step. So you're putting on a second coat to create your decorative element. But with the VaporBand ER, we're able to do that in one step, therefore fast tracking the project if you've got a compressed timeline or you need to turn around even quicker.
Our contractors are going to really enjoy the fast tracking part of that. So is there anything else that you want to share with them today?
Getting back to the SpartaCoat Prime and Go, one of the things that a lot of installers are concerned with is the disruption it can cause to neighboring businesses and areas. One of the nice things about eliminating that mechanical prep is now you don't have to worry about the dust and debris that the grinding or shot blasting can create. There's no noise and there's no secondary waste disposal. So when you're working in sensitive areas such as next to an adjoining business or in a hospital or school, it's a great alternative to look to.
Yep, that sounds great. Well, thank you so much for sharing some of your knowledge with us today, Ben. Again, this has been Ben Lampi. He's Product Manager of Resinous Coatings of the SpartaCoat line for LATICRETE. I'm Stephanie Chizik, Editor-in-Chief of CoatingsPro. Be sure to check out the LATICRETE link below. And as always, happy coating.